Oh, hello and welcome to Kumospace. Today I'm going to give you a little tutorial about how to use our YouTube TV, about the different sound options and so forth. So without further ado, I'm going to move over here and open up my Edit tab. So under the Activities drop-down, you're going to find the TV, which you simply drag and drop into your space. So while your Edit tab is still open, you can see this little settings button appear when you hover over the TV. So if you close your Edit tab, you can't see the button, and when you open it, you'll be able to see it. So you click on that, and it's going to give you the different video options that you can choose from. So first of all, you need to choose the video that you want. So you're going to go over to YouTube, and I want this one. So I'm going to copy the YouTube URL and then go back to my Kumospace and just paste that link into this little field here. And then we have some video options to consider. So loop just means that your video is going to replay over and over. So I'm going to untick that for just now. And autoplay means that your video will play as soon as somebody comes into the room. So if you untick this field, it just means that your guest will have to manually press play on the video to see it. So let's leave that ticked for just now. And then there is the audio range. So you can choose from either nearby or entire room. Nearby means that your guests will be able to hear the TV when they're close to it. And entire room means that people will be able to hear the sound coming from the video from wherever they are in the room. So they don't actually need to be in the vicinity of the TV to hear it. So let's leave that as is for just now. Click Save. And once we close the Edit tab, those settings will come into being. So
Welcome
as you
to
can
Kumos.
see here, it's quite similar to an actual YouTube video. You can skip tracks, you can mute the volume, you can choose your subtitles or closed captions, you can access settings right there, enter full screen or exit full screen, and so forth. So one important thing that you need to consider when you are choosing your video options is, well, if you have an event planned for a group of people, it might be so that you get interfering sounds from people's speakers. For example, one person pressing play and another person pressing play at a different time, their sounds might interfere. A simple solution is just to ask your guests to either wear headphones or to mute their microphone, which you can simply do by clicking on this little button. You see my microphone is muted now, so that I can hear the video sound coming through my headphones or my speakers, but it won't send through my microphone. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and follow us for more tips. Please feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions that you might have about Kumospace so that we can film more videos. All right, thank you.